तो when 2022 started, मुझे लगा कि मुझे हर साल कुछ लिखना चाहिए so that at least मेरे पास साल में एक कुछ लिखा हुआ हो. That did not work out well, but this was something I wrote when 2022 was starting, and it goes something like this. So I'm supposed to write something because I told myself I will, and well, one of the resolutions was to listen to myself. So here we are. Honestly, कल रात को जब साल खत्म हो रहा था तब लिखना था, but well, procrastination and a little bit of खौफ of not finding enough good memories and regretting कि क्या ही साल चला गया. But then my brain, being the khazana of a million something web series and movies के monologues, it reminded me of one of my favorites. It's from a web series called Superstore, जो मैंने बहुत recently देखी, and it was not a good one. It sucked. But I still completed the whole thing क्योंकि मुझे कुछ miss नहीं करना था, कोई अच्छा part miss नहीं करना था, and then last episode came and it sort of made it all worth it. So in the ending monologue, the speaker says something which resonates with normal life sucks. All the things you do every day, each day, they also pretty much suck. Living up to expectations of other people, of yourself, this probably sucks the most. But in beach of all these things, जिनका common पर्यायवाची ही suck है, there are some moments which suck a little less. And the only thing you have to do is to live those moments अच्छे से दिल लगा के. And eventually everything else will fall in place. And this reminder made me realize कि even if I don't remember बहुत अच्छे से कि what all happened this year, one thing I know I did perfectly was to be in those moments. So I danced a little more this year. I met a lot of old friends. I made a lot of new ones. I took more selfies with my cousins, जो कि बिजली की गति से बढ़ होते जा रहे हैं by the way. I tried some of the things that I always wanted to, like finally making a YouTube channel and uploading stuff on it, like finally learning how to make digital portraits after I failed terribly on the good old traditional ones, like reading a drop out of the whole samundar of books I wanted to. I took more family photos. I dressed up for parties and weddings and realized कि भाई खुद पे भी crush आ सकता है. I went out with my friends a little more. I took थोड़ी ही ज़्यादा sunset photos and I ate a lot of ice cream sundaes and faludas that I cannot finish. I sort of went hiking. I painted a little more. लिखना थोड़ा ज़्यादा किया. I went through पुरानी photos a bit more times than necessary. I realized कि Friends TV पे सीधे भी आता है and then I spent 3 hours watching random episodes. I took walks at midnight. देखो मेरी खुद की घर की छत पे भी काउंट होता है. I captured a little more of my people in film. I got a little happier looking at people smiling. Fell in love with songs the whole world was already in. I danced on songs I always wanted to. Used Gen Z slangs because why not? Went thoda more frequently to have chai baki chai. Took weirder selfies than usual. Took cuter selfies than usual. Went हमको भी aesthetics चाहिए and took million photos ऐसे. Welcomed our first pet and took मेरा डर of them and fudged it through them ASAP. Took some decisions I regret. Took some I don't. I dressed up more. I fell in love with myself more. I went on a train after almost 7 years. Celebrated the coolest birthday ever. Said hi to some people for the first time. Said goodbye to some for the last. Ate more Kinder Joys. Made more of its toys. Cried a little longer. Smiled a little wider. Now let's go. 2022.